Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Compass Plus podbyte. I'm here today with Chris Black, our sales director in Europe at Compass Plus. So, Chris, today we're here to speak about the deployment of cloud-native payments technology in Europe. Many financial institutions and payment service providers are reviewing their existing infrastructure. What is driving this, and what do you think they want to do differently going forward?
Hi, Declan, and thank you for the opportunity to participate in this podbyte. Yes, this is absolutely true. The legacy payments platforms existing across the whole payments ecosystem are now some 30 to 40 years old and lack so many facets that modern technology brings. There are 5 key elements to what is being sought as a future-proof payment solution. Firstly, flexibility. For example, new alternative payment methods, APMs, are coming along constantly, which leads to the need for the ability to adapt and compete with relative ease, minimal disruption, and low cost. Lowering of cost as a subject is also of high importance. This is done through the use of standard solutions and components, thereby negating the need for expensive specialist technical skills. Having a flexible platform that can be easily adapted directly impacts the total cost of ownership. This theme is actually continued through cloud-native deployments, such as Compass Plus's Transaxis platform, as it rids the user of the need to buy expensive hardware and associated software that is required in all legacy systems. Finally, the management of scalability is considerably easier. Cloud-native deployments allow for steady growth, occasional spikes, which we all see, for example, in Alibaba Day or Black Friday. Transaction volumes will go through the roof very quickly and then go back to normal. Having a cloud-native opportunity platform even caters for the reduction in volumes if that's encountered. So whichever way one looks at it, the key drivers are cost and flexibility without an increase in risk or reduction of security.
Okay, what deployment options are now available to FIs and PSPs that were not available in the past?
That's a great question. The industry has grown sort of ergonomically through the years, and a small number of companies like Compass Plus have emerged ahead of the pack, so to speak. For example, we offer different approaches to managing your payment system. All based on cloud-native technology, customers have several options open to them. Traditional license model that the FI PSP licenses the software on its own data center or cloud, so to speak. It can be in their cloud or any cloud of their choosing. It enables the customer to maintain complete control over the full operation. Alternatively, there's hosted platform, where the solution is hosted by a third party, but the customer maintains business and some technical as required control over the deployed solution. And finally, processed. Cloud-native deployment of managed service on Compass Plus servers in cloud, of course. These all form part of the commonly used PaaS and SaaS phrases that we can also use, but prefer to relate directly to what we are offering. There are variations on themes. We like to think that Compass Plus and Transaxis is the last migration you'll ever make. Our hybrid deployment model allows you to choose to move from licensed to managed, or even back if you want to, for example. This can be done seamlessly, and only that changes the contractual arrangement between us and the customer, whilst the system and the operation continues to run as normal.
And what is the most important element to cloud deployment of a payment system?
Well, the most common issue decision makers face is many of the providers of the payment solutions have added cloud technology to original legacy systems. Whilst this may be okay, it's not cloud native. In other words, cloud native is where the software solution has been built from the ground up to be and live in the cloud in a native fashion, built for the cloud in the cloud to make all the use and advantages of the cloud. Often when a business offers a cloud-based service, particularly in the payments industry, it means a monolithic application in the traditional hosted managed service, which does not offer the real benefits of cloud technology: speed to market, elastic scalability, cloud supplier independence, e.g. hybrid on clouds, on-prem private clouds, public cloud providers, or models using multiple public cloud providers. In summary, moving to a cloud-native payment solution lowers cost. It increases flexibility and opens new avenues for the use of modern and emerging technologies in the future of payments.
Okay, well, that was very insightful. Thank you very much for joining us today, Chris. For all of our listeners that are tuning in as usual, thank you, and we'll see you in the next podcast.